Assalamualaikum students, how are you? This lecture is developing oral and online presentation. Let's see. Developing oral and online presentations. Our first step is प्लानिंग प्रेजेंटेशन. ठीक है, आप पहले भी देख चुके हैं कि किस तरह से प्रेजेंटेशन हम देते हैं कि आप क्लासेस में डिफरेंट कोर्सेज में आप प्रेजेंट कर चुके हैं अपने सब्जेक्ट्स को, तो यू आर वेल अवेयर, वेल नो अबाउट द प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स. लेट्स सी व्हाट इज presentation and how to plan a presentation. Planning a presentation, oral presentations delivered in person or online offer important opportunities to put all your communication skills on display, including research, planning, writing, visual design, and interpersonal and non-verbal communication. Presentations also let you demonstrate your ability to think on your feet, grasp complex business issues, and handle challenging situations, all attributes that executives look for when searching for talented employees to promote. प्लानिंग और प्रेजेंटेशन इज मच लाइक प्लानिंग अदर बिजनेस मैसेजेस. ठीक है, जिस तरह से हम लोग दूसरे मैसेजेस को प्लान करते हैं, सेम इज द थिंग दैट वी प्लान प्रेजेंटेशन. You analyze the situation, gather the information, select the right medium and organize the information. ठीक है, इसमें भी सेम प्रोसेस है जिस तरह से आप पहले सिचुएशन को एनालाइज करते हैं, इसके अलावा फिर आप इंफॉर्मेशन को गैदर करते हैं, सेलेक्टिंग द राइट मीडियम एंड देन ऑर्गेनाइजिंग द डाटा. इसमें भी वही चीजें हैं. On the subject of planning, be aware that preparing a professional quality business presentation can take a considerable amount of time. Nancy Dot, whose design firm has 3 years of experience creating presentations for corporations, offer this rule of thumb. For a 1-hour presentation that uses 30 slides. ठीक है, 1 hour की presentation के लिए you need 30 slides. Underline it for objective purpose. Allow 36 to 90 hours to research, conceive, create, and practice. Not every 1 hour presentation justifies a week or 2 of preparation, of course, but the important presentations that can make your career or your company certainly can. Analyzing the situation. उसके बाद हम देखते हैं कि situation को हम analyze किस तरह करते हैं presentation देते हुए. As with written communications, analyzing the situation involves defining your purpose and developing an audience profile. The purpose of most of your presentation will be to inform or to persuade, although you may अब यहाँ पे इसको भी अंडरलाइन कर लें ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए. द पर्पस ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन इज टू परसुएड समवन. ठीक है, आप किसी को अगर कायल करना चाहते हैं, किसी को कन्विंस करना चाहते हैं, तो इस सिलसिले में आप प्रेजेंटेशन देते हैं. ठीक है, एनालाइजिंग ऑडियंस फॉर ऑरल प्रेजेंटेशन, ऊपर एक टेबल दिया गया है, इसको आप देखें. टू डिटरमिन ऑडियंस साइज एंड कंपोजिशन. ठीक है, उसमें ऑडियंस के साइज और कंपोजिशन को देखते हुए आपने एक्शन क्या करना है. एस्टिमेट हाउ मेनी पीपल विल अटेंड, कि कितने लोग इसको अटेंड करेंगे. आइडेंटिफाइड व्हेन दे हैव इन कॉमन एंड हाउ दे डिफर. एनालाइज द मिक्स ऑफ मेन एंड वुमेन, एज रेंजेस, सोशो इकोनॉमिक एंड एथनिक ग्रुप्स, occupations and geographic regions represented. To predict the audience's probable reaction. ठीक है, आप ये प्रिडिक्शन भी कर सकते हैं कि इस सिलसिले में ऑडियंस का जो रिएक्शन है वो क्या होगा. Analyze why audience members are attending the presentation. Determine the audience's general attitude towards the topic: interested, moderately interested, unconcerned, open-minded, or hostile. Analyze your audience's likely mood when you speak to them. Find out what kind of backup information will most impress the audience: technical data, historical information, financial data, demonstrations, samples, and so on. Consider whether the audience has any biases that might work against you. Anticipate possible objections or questions. To gauge the audience's experience, analyze whether everybody has the same background and level of understanding. ठीक है, आपको ये भी देखना है कि सबका understanding का level जो है वो same है या नहीं. Determine what the audience already knows about the subject. Decide what background information the audience will need to better understand the subject. Consider whether the audience is familiar with the vocabulary it's intended to use. Analyze what the audience expects from you. Think about the mix of general concepts and specific details you will need to present. Okay, इन points को हम analyze करेंगे, इनको हम gather करेंगे कि इनका जो presentation का जो है effect क्या होगा और उससे पहले हमें planning क्या करनी है. As we analyze the situation, also consider the circumstances in the audience, in the room or online. How many people will be present and how will they be seated? Can you control the environment to minimize distractions? What equipment will you need? Such variables can influence not only the style of your presentation but the content itself. Selecting the right medium. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारे पास क्या है? Selecting the right medium. हम right medium को किस तरह से select कर सकते हैं? The task of selecting the right medium might seem obvious. After all, you are speaking, so it's an oral medium. However, you have an array of choices these days, from live in-person presentation to webcast online presentations that people either view, live or download later from your website. ठीक है, इसमें आपके पास ऑप्शन है, या तो आप एक तो आपके पास मीडियम कौन सा है, ऑरल मीडिया है, यानी ऑरली आप स्पीक जब करते हैं, बोलते हैं, तो उस सूरत में आप प्रेजेंटेशन दे सकते हैं. लेकिन आजकल आपके पास लाइव स्ट्रीम का ऑप्शन है, ठीक है, आप लाइव स्ट्रीम के थ्रू आप प्रेजेंटेशन दे सकते हैं. Screencast, recordings of activity on computer displays with audio, voiceover or webinars. The use of Twitter as a back channel for real-time conversation during a web-based seminar. Next is organizing your presentation. Okay, after you have selected the right medium, then there is a step to organize your presentation. How can you organize your presentation? Organizing a presentation involves the same task as organizing a written message. Define your main idea, limit your scope, select a direct or indirect approach, and outline your content. Keep in mind that when people read written reports, just have a break. Then there is a step to organize your presentation. Organizing your presentation involves the same task as organizing a written message. जिस तरह से हम written messages को organize करते हैं, same is the thing that we organize the presentation skills. Define your main idea, limit your scope, select the direct or indirect approach, and outline your content. Keep in mind that when people read written reports, they can skip back and forth if they are confused or don't need certain information. However, in an oral presentation, audiences are more or less trapped in your time frame and sequence. For some presentations, you should plan to be flexible and respond to audience feedback, such as skipping over sections the audience doesn't need to hear and going into more detail in the other sections. Defining your main idea. हाँ जी, प्रेजेंटेशन को ऑर्गेनाइज करते हुए आवर फर्स्ट स्टेप इज टू डिफाइन योर मेन आइडिया. अपने मेन आइडिया को डिफाइन करें. इफ यू हैव एवर हर्ड अ स्पीकर स्ट्रगल टू गेट हिज और हर main points across, what I really meant to say is, you know how frustrating such an experience can be for an audience. To avoid that struggle, figure out the one key message you want audience members to walk away with, then compose a one sentence summary that links your subject and purpose to your audience's frame of reference. Here are some examples. यानी उसके साथ ही आप मेन आइडिया, जिस तरह से हमने पीछे पढ़ा है कि मेन आइडिया को किस तरह करते हैं, उससे मेन पॉइंट जो है, उसकी सब्जेक्ट लाइन जो है, उसको हम डिफाइन करते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल दी गई है, वो आप देख सकते हैं. Each of these statements puts a particular slant on the subject on that directly relates to the audience's interest. By focusing on your audience's needs and using the you attitude, you help keep their attention and convince them योर पॉइंट्स आर रेलेवेंट, ठीक है। इसके साथ ही आप इन चीज़ों को प्रिपेयर करते हैं कि आप उनको कन्विंस कर सकें। देन देयर इज लिमिटिंग योर स्कोप। आप अपनी स्कोप को किस तरह से आप लिमिटाइज कर सकते हैं। लिमिटिंग योर स्कोप इज इंपॉर्टेंट विद एनी मैसेज, but it's particularly vital with presentations for two reasons. First, for most presentation, you must work within strict time limits. ठीक है, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव के लिए इसको अंडरलाइन करें। फर्स्ट, फॉर मोस्ट प्रेजेंटेशन यू मस्ट वर्क विद इन स्ट्रिक्ट टाइम limits. Second, the longer you speak, the more difficult it is to hold audience's attention level. जितना आप ज्यादा बोलेंगे उतना ही ऑडियंस की अटेंशन को आप नहीं, उस पर ग्रिप नहीं आपकी हो सकती, ठीक है। And the more difficult it is for your listeners to retain your key points. The only sure way to know how much material you can cover in a given time is to practice your presentation after you complete it. As an alternative, if you are using conventional structured slides, you can figure on 3 or 4 minutes per slide as rough guide. Of course, be sure the factor in time for introductions, coffee breaks, demonstrations, question and answer sessions, and anything else that takes away from your speaking time. Approaching time constraints as a creative challenge can actually help you develop more effective presentations. Limitations can force you to focus on the most essential message. Time constraint presentations, ठीक है, known as picha kuchu, kucha, ठीक है, इसको आप ऑब्जेक्टिव में भी अंडरलाइन कर लें। Choosing your approach, then choosing your approach with a well-defined main with a well-defined main idea to guide you and a clear idea about the scope of your presentation, you can begin to arrange your message. If you have 10 minutes or less, organize your presentation much as you would a letter or other brief message. Use the direct approach if the subject involves routine information or good news, and use the indirect approach if the subject involves bad news or persuasion. ठीक है, अगर गुड न्यूज है तो आपने क्या करना है, इनडायरेक्ट अप्रोच, सॉरी डायरेक्ट अप्रोच, और अगर बैड न्यूज है तो इस सूरत में आपने इनडायरेक्ट अप्रोच को यूज करना है। Plan your introduction to arouse interest and to give a preview of what's to come. For a body of the presentation, be prepared to explain the who, what, when, where, why, and how of your subject. In the final selection, review the points you have made and close with a statement that will help your audience remember the subject of your speech. Longer presentations are organized more like reports, यानी ज्यादातर जो प्रेजेंटेशन लंबी प्रेजेंटेशन है वो एक रिपोर्ट की सूरत में हम प्रेजेंट करते हैं। If the purpose is to motivate or inform, you will typically use the direct approach and a structure imposed naturally by the subject, comparison, importance, sequence, chronology, geography, or category. Okay? If your purpose is to analyze, persuade, or collaborate, organize your material around conclusions and recommendations or around a logical argument. Use the direct approach if the audience is receptive. ठीक है, अगर audience जब receptive है तो direct approach use करें, and the indirect approach if you expect resistance. अगर आपको resistance क्या है कि audience जब resist करेगी तो indirect approach को use करें. No matter when the length, look for opportunities to integrate storytelling into the structure of your presentation. The dramatic tension, not knowing what will happen to the hero. At the heart of effective storytelling is a great way to capture and keep the audience's attention. Next is preparing your outline. You can prepare your outline. ठीक है, a presentation outline helps you organize your message. इसको underline करने कि outline का मकसद क्या होता है, आपके message को organize करना, and it serves as the foundation for delivering your speech. Prepare your outline in several stages. ठीक है, different stages में अपनी outline को prepare करें. State your purpose and main idea, and then use these elements to guide the rest of your planning. Organize your major points and subpoints in logical order, expressing each major point as a single complete sentence. Identify major points in the body first, then outline the introduction and close. Identify transitions between major points of section, then write these transitions in full sentence form, prepare your bibliography और source notes, यानी ये सारी चीजें हम अपनी outline में शामिल करेंगे. इसके बाद हम bibliography को prepare करें. Highlight those sources you want to identify by name during your talk. Use a compelling title, make it brief, action-oriented, and focused on what you can do for the audience. Many speakers like to prepare both a detailed planning outline and a simpler speaking outline that provides all the cues and reminders they need in order to present their material. To prepare an effective speaking outline, follow these steps. ठीक है, एक अच्छी आउटलाइन को प्रिपेयर करने के लिए आप इन स्टेप्स को फॉलो करें. नंबर 1, स्टार्ट विद द प्लानिंग आउटलाइन. प्लानिंग आउटलाइन के साथ इसको स्टार्ट करें एंड देन स्ट्रिप अवे एनीथिंग यू डोंट प्लान टू से डायरेक्टली टू योर ऑडियंस. Condense points and transitions, keywords or phrases. Add delivery cues such as places where you plan to pause for emphasis or use visuals. Add delivery cues such as places where you plan to pause for emphasis or use visuals. Arrange your notes on numbered cards or use the notes capability in your presentation software. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम देखते हैं डेवलपिंग अ प्रेजेंटेशन. हम प्रेजेंटेशन को किस तरह से डेवलप कर सकते हैं. Although you usually don't write out a presentation word, you still engage in the writing process, developing your ideas, structuring score points, phrasing your transitions, and so on. Depending on the situation and your personal style, the eventual presentation might follow your initial words closely, or you might express your thoughts in fresh, spontaneous language. ठीक है, उसमें सबसे पहले हम क्या है, adapting to your audience. ऑडियंस को अडॉप्ट करें, जो उनकी नीड्स हैं उसको फुलफिल करें. The size of your audience, the venue, in person or online, your subject, your purpose, your budget, and the time available for preparation all influence the style of your presentation. If you are speaking to a small group, particularly people you already know, you can use a casual you are speaking to a casual style that encourages audience participation. Small conference room with your audience seated around the table may be appropriate. ठीक है, अगर आप एक कॉन्फ्रेंस टाइप कर लें जिसमें एक टेबल के अराउंड आप ऑडियंस बैठी है और आप उसको हेड कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, तो दैट विल बी अ गुड चॉइस. Then and then the size of your audience, the venue, your subject, your purpose, your budget, and the time available for preparation all influence the style of your presentation. If you are speaking to a small group, particularly people you already know, you can use a casual style that encourages audience participation. Small conference room with your audience. ये अब हमने कर लिया. If you are addressing a large audience or if the event is important, establish a more formal atmosphere. During formal presentations, speakers are often on a stage or platform, standing behind a lectern and using a microphone so that their remarks can be heard throughout the room or captured for broadcasting or webcasting. Composing your presentation. उसके बाद है composing your presentation. How can you compose your presentation? Like written documents, oral presentations are composed of distinct elements: the introduction, the body, and the close. ठीक है, उसके बाद जब आप presentation को compose कर रहे होते हैं तो basically इसके elements क्या हैं? Written documents, oral the introduction, the body, and the close. Presentation introduction. Introduction में you will introduce the subject. Okay. Good introduction fires up the audience's interest in your topic, establishes your credibility, and prepares your listeners for the information and insights you have to share. That's a lot to accomplish in the first few minutes. So give yourself plenty of time to develop the words and visuals you will use to get your presentation off to a great start. यू यूनाइट द ऑडियंस अराउंड अ कॉमन गोल, ठीक है। उसके बाद आप ऑडियंस को एक कॉमन गोल के गिर्द आप अराउंड उनको गैदर करें। टेल अ कंपेलिंग स्टोरी, ठीक है, दैट इलस्ट्रेट एंड important and relevant point. If you and your entire presentation is structured as a story, of course you will want to keep the interest high by not giving away the ending gap. Pass around an example or otherwise appeal to listeners' senses. Ask a question, share an intriguing, unexpected, or shocking detail. Open with an amusing observation about yourself. Okay? Then building your credibility. अपनी credibility को build up करें. Audiences tend to decide within a few minutes whether you are worth listening to. So establishing your credibility quickly is vital. If you are not a well-known expert or haven't already earned your audience's trust in other situations, you will need to build credibility in your introduction. If someone else will introduce you, he or she can present your credentials. If you will be introducing yourself, keep your comments brief, but don't be afraid to mention your accomplishments. Your listeners will be curious about your qualifications, so tell them briefly who you are, why you are here, there, and how they will benefit from listening to you. You might say something like this. Okay. उसके बाद है प्रिव्यूइंग योर मैसेज, उसके बाद अपने मैसेज को प्रिव्यू करें। देन प्रेजेंटिंग बॉडी, ठीक है। बॉडी में आप क्या करेंगे, कनेक्टिंग टू योर आइडियाज, तमाम आइडियाज को कलेक्ट करेंगे और इनको एक फॉर्मेट में आप पेश कर देंगे। होल्डिंग योर ऑडियंसेस अटेंशन, उसके बाद आप अपने ऑडियंस की अटेंशन को होल्ड करेंगे। उनमें कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं वो आप माइंड में रखें। कीप relating your subject to your audience's needs. Anticipate and answer likely questions as you move along so people don't get confused or distracted. Use clear, vivid language and throw in some variety, repeating the same words and phrases over and over. Force people to sleep. Presentation close, उसके बाद आप उसको close कर दें, ठीक है। Then ending with clarity and confidence. Clarity or confidence के साथ इसको end करें. If you have been successful with the introduction and body of your presentation, your listeners now have the information they need and they are in the right frame of mind to put the information to good use. Now you are ready to end on a strong note that confirms expectations about any actions or decisions that will follow the presentation and to bolster the audience's confidence. Some presentations require the audience to reach a decision or agree to take specific action. ठीक है, कुछ presentation ऐसी होती हैं जिनमें वो audience के action की जरूरत होती है जिसके बाद वो एक specific conclusion तक या result तक पहुंच जाते हैं। If the audience reach agreement on an issue covered in the presentation, briefly review the consensus. If they didn't agree, make the lack of consensus clear by saying something like, we seem to have some fundamental disagreement on this question. Okay, if you expect any action to occur as a result of your speech, be sure to identify who is responsible for doing what. List the action items and, if possible, within the time you have available, establish due dates and assign responsibility for each task. Make sure your final remarks are memorable and expressed in a tone that is appropriate to the situation. If your presentation is a persuasive request for project funding, you might emphasize the importance of this project and your team's ability to complete it on schedule and within budget. Expressing confident optimism will send the message that you believe in your ability to perform. Conversely, if your purpose is to alert the audience to a problem or risk, false optimism will undermine your message. ठीक है, आपका ये it all depend about your upon your purpose. यानी आप क्या चाहते हैं ऑडियंस से, क्या वो एक्शन ले, क्या वो रिस्पॉन्स करे। Whatever final message is appropriate, think through your closing remarks carefully before stepping in front of the audience. You don't want to wind up on stage with nothing to say but, well, I guess that's it. ठीक है, यानी इन वर्ड्स के साथ आप उसकी क्लोजिंग कर सकते हैं। क्लास एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम टुडेज लेक्चर? आज के लिए इतना ही काफी है, बाकी हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे। जी क्लास, now you can ask questions. Any question? Okay class, you have 10 minutes. In 10 minutes में रिव्यू करें, लेक्चर को रिवाइज करें, अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछें, ठीक है जी. You have only 10 minutes for break.